Thomas doesn't like working with diesel engines. He thinks diesel engines are very different to steam engines. Can you see what's different about steam engines and diesel engines? Here's Thomas. Thomas is a steam engine. Thomas runs on coal. Now here's Harry and Bert. Do they run on coal? No. They run on diesel fuel. Not like steam engines at all. Here's Thomas delivering his bricks. Thomas is a steam engine. You can tell because he wheeshes steam. Here are Harry and Bert. Do they wheesh steam? No, they don't. That's because they're diesels. Diesels don't make steam, although they sometimes make nasty black smoke. How else are steam engines and diesel engines different? Did you hear that? That's Thomas's whistle. All the steam engines have whistles. But that didn't sound like a whistle. What was that noise? That's right, it was Harry and Bert honking their horns. Diesel engines don't have whistles. They have horns. Thomas doesn't like the sound of a diesel engine's honky horn. He thinks a steam engine's whistle is much nicer. So can you remember 3 ways that steam engines are different from diesel engines? Steam engines run on coal, and diesel engines run on diesel fuel. That's 1. Steam engines wheesh steam. But diesel engines don't make steam. That's 2. And steam engines can blow their whistles. Diesel engines don't blow whistles. They honk horns. That's 3. Steam engines and diesel engines really are very different.